YouTube, Autumn Beckman here. Welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. This looks a little different because I have a big announcement. I'm hand holding my camera because I don't have my big tripod set up anymore because we moved. The boyfriend and I moved to a larger apartment that is closer to my work. He's retired, so it doesn't matter where he lives. Before we were in a one bedroom. His office was also in the bedroom and my office was in the living room, so it made it difficult to do YouTube, especially because I get up early and then he would get up later, and I would shower and get dressed and get all my stuff set up to do a video first thing in the morning, and by the time I was ready to do that, then it was time for him to get up and he'd be in the kitchen making coffee and doing all this stuff, and he'd be in my way. So for that and several other reasons, we upgraded to a 2-bedroom apartment in a different complex. And so far we're very happy and love it. I will do an office tour and I will do a partial apartment tour once we get more settled in. We just moved in a few days ago. Today's Friday. We got the keys a week and a half ago, but we officially moved in and started sleeping here on Monday. And we both have a ton of stuff, so we're very busy unpacking, which is why I haven't been on YouTube very much lately. My background is not final yet, so I'll still be working on that. But that's the big news. So we are both very excited and really looking forward to spending time here. And yeah, I'll tell you more about the apartment in another video when I do the tour. All right, I have 2 unboxings for you today. The first one is an item that was sent to me for free in exchange for doing a video, and this is something I get offers a lot via email from different companies that want to send me something and have me do a video about it. This is the first one I've ever accepted, and it's a watch company, and the reason I accepted it is because the boyfriend has this watch, which is a wooden watch, and this one is something that's made by a different brand, and it's really pretty, and he always gets a lot of compliments on it, and it's really unique. I think that's why, because it's made of wood. So when this company contacted me, Jord, I've heard some people say Jord. Not sure how it's pronounced actually, but I will find out. This company contacted me, and I've seen other YouTubers do videos on these watches, and I've liked them, but I'd never gone to the website. When they contacted me, I went to the website and started looking at some of the watches, and they are gorgeous. So I jumped on the chance to get one of these watches, and I'm going to go ahead and unbox this for you and see it for the first time with you. All right, so I opened the box there, and here we are. It has this piece of cardboard, and it comes in a beautiful wooden box. I was not expecting that. That is lovely. Look at that. It's got the J, all this, and it looks like there's some kind of there's a drawer down here, and then this pops off to reveal the watch. Isn't that beautiful? I'm gonna link below, because we're in the middle of the move and I just got this and wanted to unbox it. I don't even remember the names of the woods now and the model number, but I will link all that below. But it is gorgeous. Look at this. I love this wood with all the striations, and it has this lovely blue face, and you can see the workings on it. I think it's called the Meridian. That's what it is. It's the Meridian series. And then I believe, on the back, this was something else that I was really impressed with, or that I thought was cool, is you can see the workings there. I love that mechanical kind of stuff. So you can see it working there, the little piece moving in the front there. It's really lovely. There's what it looks like on my wrist, to give you an idea of the size of it. Oh look, it came with this cleaning cloth, this pen, it's a little cleaning brush. It comes with all that, so that's really nice. So I'm gonna wear this around and see what people say about it, because the boyfriend always gets comments on his wooden watch. So I'm curious if anybody will notice this and what they have to say about it. His watch is really a conversation starter, so I imagine this would be too. And stuff like that, even though I have a YouTube channel and I'm a teacher, I'm used to talking in front of people, I'm so antisocial in person. I'm really quiet and I don't approach people. So it's good for me to have things like this, which sounds kind of sad, but it's good for me to have things like this where people approach me and ask me about stuff, because otherwise I would never talk to anyone. It also came with a couple things in here. The extra pieces, they do free sizing for you when you order the watch. So they sent the extra pieces. There's this card here for social media. There's a booklet on this particular watch. It is the Meridian series. The Meridian was my favorite by far. There were several that I loved, and I may get a second one too. I had my eye on another watch, and that one I would purchase. So there's a little booklet, and then there's a cleaning cloth inside, and on the bottom the watch box looks like that, and like I said, it has that drawer that pulls out. So that's pretty cool. The information on the giveaway, there's a link in my description box below that you click if you're interested in the giveaway for $139 off any watch on their website. They have watches that are under $200, so that's a huge discount on the watches. Really beautiful ones too. They're all gorgeous. It was tough picking one to get for this promotion. The only rule for that is that they have to have 25 people enter before they'll do the winner. So I don't think that'll be a problem. Just go and enter and tell your friends about it and all that stuff. So again, that link is below. Also, if you are interested in just doing $25 off instantly and free sizing, the code for that, the like promotion code thing, is autumnbeckman. And I'll link that below. Well, I won't link it, I'll list it below in the description box. All right, so that is it for the watch. Let's get on to the Louis Vuitton unboxing. There's a lot going on in this video today. So this is the Vuitton unboxing. I got this from Yoogi's Closet. Inside the box, it says Yoogi's Closet. I can't say that correctly today, apparently. It has this envelope. This is only my second purchase from Yoogi's Closet. The first one was my Louis Vuitton compact Sarah wallet, which I recently sold just because I wasn't using it. Comes with this little consignment card, not consignment, but sell to Yoogi's Closet. Well, yes, sell or consign, it says. My receipt. This item, the item itself is something that I have been looking at for a long time, like 2 years. I've always thought it was really cute, but I do have a hesitation about it. And for that reason, I may not even keep this, but I've never seen one in person. So the only way to decide was to order one. And when I saw this color combination, because this item comes in many different colors, I think they're, no, I was gonna say I think they're all vernis, the patent leather, but I have seen one in monogram canvas. I don't think I've seen the other canvases. But here it is, it's a small item, came in this plastic bag, and there are a few things inside here. There's this Yoogi's Closet card. This has this inside of it. So if you need to see that, pause it. It has the Louis Vuitton dust bag, and a piece of it is coming out. It has this do not remove tag. If you remove that, you have purchased the item. Try to actually reveal this to you instead of just having it fall out of the case. So I'm gonna show you the clip there, and that's probably gonna give it away for a lot of you. It has the LV on the clip there, and then it has this little heart that says Louis Vuitton, a long chain, and inside is this lovely heart coin purse. And I just love this color. So it's a combination of Amarant. Is it Amarant or Amarante? I'm not sure. Somebody let me know, please. And I wanted something in the, I'm going to call it Amarant because that's what I've been calling it in my head. It's a combination of Amarant and a lighter color. I don't know the name of that. And I think that this striped pattern is called Rayuris. This one looks brand new, beautiful. My hesitation on this piece is that I'd like to wear it as a bag charm, but the clip is so long that it would hang off the bag. I wonder if I can get another clip, sort of clip this here to that D-ring, and maybe get another clip to hang it as a bag charm like this. Of course, just like my cerises, the cherries round coin, it hangs sideways, which is kind of annoying. Let's look inside. It's in excellent condition. It's like new. There's no wear. Here's the inside, very dark. It says Louis Vuitton in there. I think you can see that, made in France, and it's just that amaranth, the dark purple leather. The stripes, the rayures, I think. I was at some store checking out, and a woman in front of me pulled out a wallet. It looked like a Sarah wallet, the old model. And it was the stripes, but it was wider stripes. And I think hers was a little more red, not quite this dark, but it was so gorgeous. I'd only seen them online. That was the first time I saw those colors and this kind of combination with the stripes in person on the vernis, and it's gorgeous. And then it has the monogram stamped into it, imprinted into it. And there's just no wear at all to this piece. It is brass. There's no wear where you can see silver on the hardware. It says Louis Vuitton there on the zipper pull right here. And then, I don't know if this is gonna show up at all, but on this D-ring, right here etched into it, it says Louis Vuitton. I think you can see that a little bit. So it's a lovely piece. I'll hang out with this for a while and do another video on it. I'll hang out with the watch for a while, do another video on that to give you more information about them. Talk to me in the comments section. Let me know what's working in my new office and what's not. If you have one of these heart coin purses, I'd love to hear how you use it, how you wear it, because I'm not 100% sold on keeping it. It's beautiful. I just wonder if I'm gonna get the use out of it that I want for the kind of price that luxury is, even pre-loved. So let me know what you think about that and any other comments you've got, and I'll see you next time. Please like the video if you liked it, subscribe if you haven't done that already, click the bell notification icon to be notified when I post new videos on YouTube, and have a fantastic day. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.